curb. Always in the backseat singing like a bird. Oh no, take me to the good life.
Wait, these aren't car keys. This is a secret spy camera. That's what we're going to be checking out today. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while, as I always say at literally the start of every video, so there's no point in me saying it. It's a beautiful day today. I'll see what the temperature is. It's like what? Nearly 20 degrees in February, which is insane. So I thought I'd make a video because it's nice and bright. This time, a few weeks ago, it would have been dark at this time. Okay, so I just ordered something on Amazon, and as you know from my original Microsoft Lumia review, I'd already opened this phone when I actually unboxed it, so it was not really an unboxing. The same goes for this. I literally just got it. I'm gonna try to leak the address like on my other video, and I saw it. I was like, yes, my parcel, even though it's not really worth much. I opened it, and then I just instantly cringed and realised what I'd done. So you guys can't penalise me for this. I've explained everything that's going on. Let's get to the unboxing. This is the best part. Fresh out of the box, never opened before. Brand new package. Okay, so this was about £8 on Amazon. It could be terrible. It could also be pretty cool. So as you can see here, it says, I don't know if that's going to pick up, Mashji small spy car something. I can't read upside down. Anyway, so let's open it up. It's actually really small, so they managed to fit it through my letterbox. Alright, this is already a bad sign. You can see here that it's actually Chinese, the instruction manual here. Thank you for choosing our company designed a developed series of security products. Hope it can help you.
5 hours later.
Maybe this isn't charged. Well, anyway, let's just read the specs. I'm gonna have to record the rest of this video later. It films AVI video format and 720p footage, which, you know, that's pretty trash, but considering this was £8, it's a little hefty little device. I quite like it. I'm gonna put this on charge and see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I did actually have a Fortnite video ready to upload, but I really don't think that it's worth my time uploading this, or your time, because, you know, Fortnite is kind of dying at the moment if you look at the Apex Legends stats, so I'm probably not going to upload this video, but if you guys do want to see it, I might upload it as an unlisted thing. Yeah, it didn't take me too long to make anyway. I spent about 5 minutes on it. So I'll show you the other sneak peeks. I actually went to Barcelona recently, and I got some sick footage while I was there. There's some really cool locations. I tried out my DJI Osmo Pocket gimbal, which is really sick. Yeah, it was a really good trip, so I'm going to make a vlog about that. Okay, so it's been roughly 24 hours since I put this on charge. If this isn't fully charged, I don't know what to say. It is a very cheap product. I have dropped it a few times, but should still be in perfect condition. I've got a bit of a weird setup here because I've got a window behind me, but let's have a look at the instructions. Half of them are in Chinese or Mandarin, and the other side is just in incredibly bad English. Okay, thank you for choosing our product. Okay, so
5 hours later.
Since it's turned on by the yellow light here, I should be able to start recording. So if I press this button, it's going to flash 3 times and the light's going to go off, and then it's going to start recording. So this is the recording quality on the camera. This is my mic here, and then this is the mic coming out of the camera. It just occurred to me the other camera, the one I'm reviewing, it occurred to me that there might not be a microphone, but this little dot here does look like a microphone, so it should be pretty good. Now let's do a side-by-side comparison. Alright, so we got the two. Here we go. Very small little camera. And also, there is no way that you would ever think that this is a camera, because it's actually incredibly small. If you look here on the very top, these are there's two little holes. It's quite hard to see because it's quite a dark thing. But there's a big hole for the camera and a small one for the mic there. Obviously, if I just lay the little camera on the desk here, and then just leave it there, kind of walk over here, and then let's say we come into the scene, there's no way you're ever going to be able to tell that that's a camera. Like, that just looks like a set of car keys. It'd be even better if you can actually, if you attached it onto your keys, so it'd look more, even better.
You could probably spend a lot more money and get a much better camera. Well, that goes for everything. You could get a lot better camera for a better price, but for £8, you know, I wouldn't say no to it. This camera, I'll leave the link for it in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed. And these are fake, by the way. I'm going to make a video on this, but yeah, lots more videos coming. Well, not a lot. I've got a few edited already, so they're going to be up on the channel soon. See you in the next one. That was clean. I do the outro so well.